On behalf of UroAlex board, I am honored and delighted to invite you to share with us our 19th conference for the year 2019.
As part of the organizing committee of UroAlex 2019, we're both honored and delighted to have you all in the upcoming meeting this September between the 25th and the 28th of 2019 in our annual meeting that will be held in Cairo, JW Marriott.
Moving to Cairo will carry with it a wider scope for stronger networking and sharing among all members of the religious societies and industry, allowing generations from all universities of Egypt to gather and share expertise.
Accordingly, our theme this year is Excellence United.
In JW Marriott, we will have a fantastic meeting having all the experts from all universities in Egypt, all 9 universities, as well as international guest speakers from all over the world that will meet together.
Launched in 2001, we started as a small departmental meeting on the premises of our honored university, Alexandria.
As a small 2-hour meeting where we urologists used to sit, talk, and share our experience in urology and the new updates. Little by little, and from a meeting of a couple of hours in which we shared and discussed over latest updates, guidelines, and experience, we grew to a 1-day meeting with more and more attendance, to a 2-day meeting outside the university premises, into other different venues. And by the year 2014, we became what's well known today as UroAlex.
Our conference this year will tackle more into research and hands-on sessions with more engagement with the top industry personnel and manufacturers in the field of urology.
UroAlex has consistently led its way for over 19 years in the field of urology, addressing every year new challenges within the field, guidelines updates, new medications, implementations, and technology within the urology sector.
In one of Cairo's most unique venues, UroAlex 2019 will bring to its floor, and for 3 days, every day, more than a dozen of the most eminent international speakers in the field of urology.
Distinguished key professors from universities and institutions all over Egypt,
Hidden champions within the young generations of urologists,
the highest level of representatives from all over the industry.
There are valuable awards for best video cases, best presentation, and best attendance.
Roundtable discussions, coordinators of horizontal integration and discussions between all partners, together with icebreaker sessions at the beginning of every day of the conference, which you will truly enjoy.
Wish to see you all in Cairo at UroAlex 2019. You won't regret it. See you there.